My name's Epi Hogan. I live in Palmer, Alaska, and I'd say about 2 years ago in one winter I fell twice on the ice, landed on my butt, didn't think much of it. 6 months later I was, of all things, getting into or out of bed, I don't quite recall, and felt a tug in my SI joint area. Ultimately went to a PT, had some prolotherapy, kind of got back to where I was okay, but it never felt great, never felt perfect. This past September I re-injured it a little more significantly. I subluxed my pubic bone. Again, saw this time multiple PTs, osteopaths, chiropractors, had x-rays, MRIs, you name it. And did a ton of research and had been reading stuff of Jerry Hesch's, his documents, and it just made sense. The puzzle pieces were kind of coming together. Like I needed a holistic approach. It wasn't just my ligament was forward kind of thing. So came out to see Jerry this week in Colorado, and as expected, it was everything I needed and hoped it to be. He was warm. He asked me all of the right questions, in the most in-depth, both personal interview and assessment of my whole body, not just my pelvis, that I've ever had. His treatment method is kind of remarkable. He does his assessment, and then you kind of unlock things in a certain order. And then reassess. So every time you move a body part and it comes back to norm, you kind of look at what that may have affected, and it's just remarkable. Again, have nothing but good things to say. What a great experience. And he sends you home with a video of self-care, so that if you kind of find yourself in a pinch, you have some tools in your back pocket. And they're very inexpensive tools that you can get on the internet for $5. So anyway, could not be happier with my experience today.
Thank you, and I'll just ask you a question. I know the answer, but how many visits did you have, and how long were they?
This is my second 2-hour visit. My first one was yesterday, and that involved really the full body assessment and starting to get to the heart of my pelvic girdle maladies, for lack of a better term. And then today was some tweaking and some more full body assessment, and giving me the tools to be successful. So 2 visits, and I have been to countless people. So again, couldn't be happier.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
Good.